10 types of technology you'll need to know to stay relevant in business. In the business world, technology is moving at such a lightning pace that you need to keep up if you want to stay relevant. At first glance, it may seem that understanding all of these emerging technologies would be impossible, but the truth is that most of them can be grouped together into just 10 categories. Learning about each of these technology types and how they can help your business will set you up for success in the future. The following are 10 technologies that every business owner needs to know in order to stay ahead of the curve in today's marketplace. 1. The Internet of Things is the idea that all our devices will soon be connected and talking to each other. This means smart devices like thermostats, fridges, and cars will be able to talk with each other. For example, if your car's battery starts running low, you can tell the fridge to start cooling your drink before you get home, so it's perfect when you get there. 2. Big data and analytics is a term that has been around for a while now, but it means something different today than it did 5 years ago. Not only does data have to be collected and stored, but it also needs to be analyzed and interpreted. Big data can be used for many purposes, including identifying customer trends and patterns in order to better serve them. 3. Cloud computing is a type of internet-based computing that stores data and programs on remote servers rather than on local machines. Cloud computing makes it possible for companies to save money by not having to spend money on buying and maintaining expensive hardware like servers. There are many different types of cloud hosting, so you need to choose the one that's best for your business's needs. 4. Artificial intelligence is one of the hottest trends right now, and it's not only changing the way we work and interact with each other, but also how businesses operate. With AI, there are a ton of opportunities for automation that will save time and energy for business owners. The end result should be an increase in productivity and efficiency. 5. Virtual reality is an artificial environment that is created with software and presented to the user in such a way that the user believes that they are actually in this environment. Virtual reality has many different applications, including gaming. 6. Blockchain is one of the most talked about technologies. It's so revolutionary, it's predicted to disrupt industries from finance to retail. In other words, it could change your business forever. But what is it? How does it work? And how will this technology impact you? 7. 5G is a new generation of wireless service that will provide faster speeds and better coverage. The first 5G networks are expected to be deployed in 2020, and the rollout will continue into the next decade. 8. Edge computing is a type of cloud computing that stores and processes data closer to the user rather than on the internet. This means that your data is processed locally and doesn't need to be transmitted over a great distance. This helps speed up processing, conserve bandwidth, and reduce latency. It can also allow you to store more data since it isn't reliant on an outside server. 1. Edge computing. 2. Self-driving vehicles. 3. Autonomous robots. 4. Voice assistants. 9. Augmented reality is the display of a computer-generated image, video, or graphics over a live view of the physical world. The most common form is through a smartphone, where an application displays information about the objects that are captured by the phone's camera. Augmented reality provides users with additional information about their current environment, essentially acting as a layer on top of reality. 10. Quantum computing is a new area of computing that could revolutionize the way data is processed. The technology relies on quantum bits, or qubits, instead of binary bits. There are two key benefits to this. Quantum computers can process large amounts of data much faster than traditional computers, and they have more processing power than regular computers due to their ability to store vast amounts of information simultaneously.